Hello, my name is Renaud Técher. In this tutorial series you will learn how to make a character point-and-click system for navigation and combat inside the Blender game engine. To fully understand the next videos, you must know the basics of computer programming and Python scripting. You should also be familiar with RPG games, and the last thing you need is to have played a minimum with Blender and the game engine, because you need to understand what are logic bricks and Python scripting inside the game engine. This tutorial series will be split in 6 main parts. We will begin with an overview of the new nav mesh system inside the game engine. We will see how this module can help us to make the objects move in the scene and find their way inside the level from a starting point to a destination point. The second part will show you how to make a third-person camera system. This will allow you to rotate around the player, zoom in and zoom out. In the third part, we will talk about the concept behind the behaviors of the game characters. Then in the fourth part, you will learn how to make the first behavior of the player, switching from idle state to movement state, making the player run in the level at the point where you clicked on the ground with the mouse. Before we start the fighting system, we will need to display the current health above the head of the characters. This will be done in the fifth part. In the last part, we will add the fighting behaviors to the characters: chase, base attacks, skill casting, experience, and leveling. If you want to be notified for each new video, I recommend you to subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video for the part 1 of this tutorial series.